street of the house in which she stayed. I'm a diaries full of every name on every page. Cause I read to where you falling enough of me. I'll try again one day. Hey y'all, let's get into it. You see, we doing a lot today with my XRS unit. You guys, it's a fresh unit from this company. It's a Body Wave 13x6 pre-plucked clear lace unit from this company. Flawless. Look at this. This hairline is amazing, okay? But, you know, I've been playing around with XRS for a little bit now, you know, having all different types of units from this company, but I never decided to lift this hair. So we're going to put this hair to the test today, okay? Y'all already seen how it came out, but look, y'all, this is the different type of lace that are out there, and one of them are clear lace, so, you know, compare it. Like, let's get into it. Let's get into the looks, okay? Before we go any further, just so y'all can see this hairline and hear this at the same time. So they do have a bottom price sale going on, you guys. If you order one wig, you definitely will be getting $70 off of that one wig, and you can't beat that because do you see this hairline? Do you see this hairline? Plus their clear lace. This is a lace that gives that what lace illusion without the professional. It's just the easiest install ever. So take advantage of their bottom price sale, you guys. It's going to be ending November 26th, but you don't want to miss that because it's just giving life. So let's get back into the video. So I'll get into more details about like the differences in the lace, but we're going to start this bleaching process. So I'm going to take Salon Care and Blonde Brilliance Express Level 9, okay? This used to be my favorite bleach. If y'all know, y'all know. It is a really nice bleach to use on weave and your hair. It has great ingredients and all that stuff. Now look at this hairline. Like, I just had to keep showing you guys this hairline because it's just everything and more. You know what I mean? Like, just giving the girls exactly what they need to give. They have a sale going on, y'all, so make sure you take advantage of that. I'll give you guys the details on that also, but sale information will be linked in the description box below. And yeah, so we're going to start the coloring process. I'm just sectioning off the hair, kind of giving that skunk patch, but a little bit of extraness to it. And like I said, personal preference. You can have yours thick, you can have yours thin. I did end up bleaching 2 sections, but I only just showed you the front half because the second one was just because I had extra bleach left over. So I'm just mixing up that mixture. I like it to be a pancake consistency so I can actually, you know, direct the bleach on my hair and move it around and make sure it gets on every single strand. And I'm just trimming the hair before I go in and bleach because I hate, you know, trimming it after I did all this bleaching job, and then it's just like I lost some of my color. Like, I lost some of my color, y'all. But anyway, so I'm just going to go ahead and just lather this all over the hair, making sure it gets on every single strand. And I am using 20 volume developer, so it is going to lift, you know, at a decent, you know, time, but it's not too crazy, but it's also not moving too slow. Just be careful if you are really impatient with bleaching your hair. 40 volume developer on weave is going to make your weave crunchy, okay? The more developer number you use, the more, you know, your hair is going to actually get that luster and that moisture back into it. So for the coloring process, I'm just using some Adora dyes. I will leave the color in the description box below, but so I can get a pastel color, I always add conditioner into my colors. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing, and it's got kind of giving like ombre effect. So I started with the lighter color, then I went to a medium, and then I went to a dark. So I kept it like that because I only ended up bleaching this hair one time. I didn't want to over process it because I didn't have patience to do it. The next day I'm going to like brighten these colors up a little bit more, but I just wanted to try to bleach this hair for the first time, and I really thought it lifted to a really beautiful color. It was like a honey blonde, but the roots did get pretty blonde the quickest. So here's the overall outcome. And then what I ended up doing was just, like I said, putting the bleach back on the hair just to lift those colors up to make them a little bit more vibrant, using water and
making a different kind of green so the roots can be a little bit brighter because they were pretty pastel. So I still wanted that vibrantness to the look, but you know, just did my little expertise job, you know what I'm saying? Just have fun with the colors and just did exactly what I wanted for this look. So, you know, this is how beautiful it looks. I'm so excited to install this, you guys. You don't even know. I haven't done color in so long, and I was like, you know what? I miss color. I'm tired of looking at my channel and every thumbnail that I create is black hair. So I needed some color in my life. So that's basically what I did. I haven't really been wearing wigs, y'all, so I keep forgetting to go to the store and get my exfoliating pads, because y'all know I really can't stand using cotton balls, but the unit isn't installed at all, so I should be good and making sure I don't have any cotton, you know, residue. Give you guys some up close and personals with these different type of lace. So this one right here is the brown lace. Now brown lace, you can definitely, like, you know, make it work, but it's still not giving like the best quality lace that they have to offer. As you can see, the clear lace just vanishes. It says goodbye, I don't want to be here no more. This gives the wet lace illusion automatically. So this is the brown lace, comparing it to the freaking clear lace. Y'all can't beat that. Transparent on a brown girl, Honestly, you wouldn't even need a stylist, a beautician, as long as you follow my little cute little simple 1-2 bam wham steps when it comes to installing your wig. But let me just remove some of this extra oils and makeup around the perimeter of my forehead. Push these baby hairs back and all of that stuff because we don't want no beef, no smoke. I just did a turmeric mask on myself before I started this video, and my skin feels so good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tuck the combs underneath. Make sure like my wig cap isn't like too line demarcation-ish, you know? So I like to push the comb in, and this just helps it lay, you know. So I do that all around, and I try to speed it up, but even if I, you know, can't get to the other side quite fast enough, I just focus on one side. Y'all remember when the Bratz dolls kind of got on a punk rock-ish look? I kind of feel like one of them, because they did have a few different Bratz doll looks that had like all black on, but their hair has some like streaks in it. Go in with this Beyond the Zone heat protectant spray before I do any more heat on this hair. This is a 24-inch 200 density 13x6 body wave unit. And when I say 200 density, this shit feels like 220 density. Yesterday, I let it air dry, and I was, you know, thankful that I didn't have to blow it out yesterday. But today, for the sake of this video getting done, I needed to blow it out. So know that you're gonna have a very long-lasting wig because you have all this hair in it, okay? I always vouch for Xrsbeauty when somebody is asking me about a wig company. I really do be telling the girls in the streets about this hair company because, you know, I know not everybody wants to spend that extra coin on top of purchasing the wig. So if you could install it at home, I think this would be the easiest wig to install. They do have a bottom price sale going on, y'all, so you will be getting one of your units that you decide to purchase $70 off. A lot of these companies are trying to improve their quality and re-innovate. So Xrsbeauty is one of them. So take advantage. Go upwards and remove all of that. Alright, you guys. So I'm so upset because I curled my hair. It turned out so good, right? And then my freaking camera died. All of my batteries were dead. Even my vlog cameras were dead. So It's been some time. It's been a little bit of time since I combed out my curls. They didn't kind of fall. They kind of got overly brushed out by me because y'all know I love me a effortless look. The only piece that really does need to get touched up is this one right here. It's supposed to go under and I curled it back and I don't like what it's doing now. So the lighter part is up here, so I'm happy about that. And I do need to go in and reconstruct. I need to go in and pluck some more at the hairline, but I'm not gonna do that right now. But this is the hair, you guys. I think it's so freaking pretty. It turned out so nice. It's really full. I did go in and add a little bit of foundation powder for the top half of the part. And that's pretty much it for the foundation powder. But I just feel like these curls are so freaking pretty.
I found the street with a house in which she stayed.
Try to go and take some photos. It is a little late for that, but it's perfect because it's a weekday, so I don't have to run into anyone that I don't feel like running into. But I might just wait until the concierge leaves. There it goes. There she is. I just had to do that. Giving me jet black vibes. But I love the hair color. I love how it turns. That is just done on that. I did switch to my vlog camera, so if you can see a little difference, you know, that's what that is. I think I'm gonna do a few of my wigs like this because why not? Like, really cute and pretty. It's really giving va va boom, you know?